Hi, here's a short video demonstrating configuration and a little bit of usage for the auto trader. I will use use the yeah. I'm just gonna use the MACD crossover system. This system or this Sierra chart study it comes built in with Sierra chart. It just places an arrow whenever we have a MACD crossover to the upside and a sell arrow to the downside. Um, so once you apply it, it has like an arrow here, long, short, long, short, so on. So basically, we have a study that what's important here is that we have a study that has, in this case, two subgraphs, one signaling us to go long, and the other signaling us to go short, which is exactly what we need for the auto trader. I'm going to make the arrows just a little bit bigger so they're more visible on the chart. Yeah, arrow up, arrow down, there. And okay, so we have that. Then I add the auto trader, which is right here. So I add that to the chart. And now I go into the auto trader settings. And what I need to do is give it references because the auto trader will trade automatically based off of the signals that it gets. So it'll go long or short based off of these arrows. But in order for it to know what those arrows are, it needs to have a reference. So I have two settings that are important here. One is the long signal reference. So I'm going to set that. I'm going to go to the MACD crossover system and set it up for the buy subgraph. And then I'm going to do a similar trick with the sell subgraph. Okay, so, and here there's just more parameters here for the auto trading. So the number of contracts, whether to enter on bar close or not, the entry style, and a few other things which I'm not going to go into right now. But basically, these are the important ones for us to see it trading. The other thing to notice is that I'm going to attach the trade window to the chart. And you see that we currently have a target and a stop. So these exits will be picked up when the trade starts, and you'll see that in just a moment. The other thing that's important, let me see if we have all the settings we need. Auto trading is enabled. We're in simulation. Show orders and positions is okay, and we want to see order fills as well. Yeah, okay. So I'm just going to run a quick replay. I'm going to go back here. So we're going to try and enter long on this arrow right here. Okay. So I'm going to go back to here and start our replay. This is what? This is a 1 minute chart. Okay. Okay. Let's wait for that arrow to come up for us. Yep, there we go. Okay, so the arrow came up and we entered two contracts long, and you can see that we already have our exit orders are in place based off of these settings here, and I can pretty much set these to whatever Sierra chart provides, and it will kick in automatically. That is basically it. This video is just about just setting it up and setting up the references and getting it going. As you saw, there's more settings in there, and maybe we'll get to that in some other video. Thanks, and see you later. Bye bye.